Vegan Banana Pancakes. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of plant-based milk, almond, soy, oat, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, optional, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 pinch of salt, oil for cooking, instructions. In a bowl, mash the ripe banana until smooth and creamy. Add the plant-based milk and vanilla extract to the mashed banana. Mix until the ingredients are well combined and the mixture is slightly frothy. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Add the dry mixture to the wet mixture. Gently fold the ingredients together until just combined. Don't worry about a few lumps, they'll make your pancakes fluffy. Preheat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. Lightly grease with cooking spray or a small amount of oil. Pour a ladleful of batter onto the skillet to form pancakes. Cook until you see bubbles forming on the surface. Flip the pancakes using a spatula. Cook until both sides are golden brown and cooked through. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings.